Hello everyone, now I will present CARM application starting with splash screen. It's an animation at the starting of our application. At the beginning, the user will swipe about us cards. We have our mission and our vision and why us and what are we doing and how can we help you. The last page is welcome to CARM page. It's contain login and register button. Now we will stick with the login button so we can show you the whole login and registration system. At the beginning, on the login, it will require email and password. And if the user forget his password, he can click on forget your password. Or he can continue with the E key. And if the user is using our application for the first time, he can create a new account. In account creation, we have three rules: complainant, admin, employee, and an authority. Let's stick with the complainant for now. It will not require anything special, just the full name, CPR, phone number, email, and password. But let's go to the admin now. It will require full name, admin key, email, and password. The special thing here is admin, the admin key. The admin key is not letting anyone to access the application as an admin. And it's the same for the employee and an authority. For each authority, it will require a different key. Now let's go back to login. And now let's create a new complainant account. A complainant can create his account by filling all the information and press on register. And this is the complainant home page. At the top of the page, we have the bell button. It will show all the notifications sent by the super admin. This is considered as general notification for the whole application and the all users. And also we have chat with CARM application bot. It will only accept any question about public properties. So if the user asks another question, it will not answer. And also here we have four other features. For the time estimation, the user can choose any type of complaint and describe this complaint and get an estimate to solve this problem. And for the complaint map, we will leave it for later because we need to submit a complaint to see the complaint on the map. For contact us, the complainant is contacting the admin about a problem in an application or a problem with an authority or anything that the complainant facing in the application. And in the envelope button, it will show the replies, the admin replies. So if there is no reply, it will not show anything. And for the feedback, the user can choose from 5 to 1 star and write his feedback. Now let's create a complaint on the complaint form. So we will choose a pothole, and the address is not mandatory, but we will put it for now. So if you are in a place that have no address, you can't just leave it. Now we will fill the complainant description. And now we can select a picture from the gallery so the AI can analyze it. And now we will submit the complaint. Before submitting, you have a selection to edit it or submit it. And now we can see the complaint map. We have a new complaint on the map, and we can view all the details. And in history also, we can view the updates, or we can view the details. And ticket, the complainant can write anything to the employee that take his complaint. Also here we can take a picture for our profile, and it will be saved in the Firebase. Also, the user can edit his profile, his full name and phone number. And the user can change his password, and there is an email he will receive in his inbox. In the settings, we have three main categories. We have general settings, data and privacy, and notification and alerts. And for the preferences, we have theme and language. We have a dark theme for the whole application. And also our application support multi-languages. Now we will stick with the light mode and the English language. And for the privacy and policy, the complainant can see all our policies here. And for the rewards, if the complainant submit a complaint and it's solved, he will get 500 points and he can buy from the store. And now let's create employee in an authority account. Here the employee will need to enter an authority key so he can create a new account. And this is an employee in an authority interface or homepage. He have list view and card view, and he can access the features from both of them. First, let's go through in the complaint. In the complainants, it will show all the complaints for this authority, and the employee can go inside any complaint, and he will have many features inside the complaint itself. First, he can view the complainant info and the complainant details, also the location on map. And he can claim a ticket. If he press on claim a ticket, it will labeled as claimed by and the employee name. If he tries to change the stats will change on the complainant side and on the employee side. Also, he can go to ticket, so he can view the ticket directly from the complaint. And the employee can schedule a maintenance by typing /schedule, and a dialog will show up so the employee can choose a date and time. And the employee can send an update to the complainant about his complaint. So if any news happened to the complaint, and if the employee want to change the stats for resolved, the employee should signature so he can approve that the resolved is correct. The complaint now go to closed complaints because the employee couldn't change anything else after make it resolved. And also, if it's closed by the admin, it goes to closed complaint. And he can report to an admin about the complaint if the complaint have anything wrong. Or the employee can access the tickets manually, and in the tickets it will show only the claimed tickets. If there is no claimed tickets now, it will show no tickets. And he also can see the closed tickets that he claimed before. And in the complaints map, the employee can view all the complaints that submitted to his authority. Also, he can access all the details from the map. In employee training, our CARM bot will take the complainant role so he can chat with the employee to train him how to replay the real complainants. So now he will have a chat for like 1 to 2 minutes for 10 messages. And after that, he will give him a full report that what should the employee continue doing or start doing, or what's the wrong thing that the employee is doing. On recommended solution, it will show all the complaint so the employee can press any complaint of them. And after pressing it, it will give all the data from the ticket and the pictures and the description of the complaint. It will give it all to the AI. So the AI can analyze it and give best 3 solutions to the employee. And in admin contact, the employee can contact the admin by writing the reason of contacting and the description. And on the envelope button, it will show the replays of the ad. And in the profile, the employee can see all his details, the claim complaints and general authority info, and his email, his authority key, and the ministry he is working for. Also, he can access his rewards. And in rewards store, the complainant or the employee can buy anything with the point they get after resolving a complaint. So after resolving a complaint, the complainant will have 500 points and the employee will have 500 points. And they can buy anything they want after collecting these points. And after buying it, it will show the purchase successful, if it's successful, or if he don't have enough points, it will show him that you don't have enough points, and he can copy the code after he buying it. And now let's log out to go to the next interface. And now let's create an admin account. And for creating an admin account, also the admin need to enter the admin key to register his account. And this is the admin interface. Let's start with managing users. In managing users, the admin will have complainants and authority employees. In the complainants, the admin can edit the name or delete the account, and also in authority employees, he can do the same. Let's try to edit a name for a complainant. Or we can delete an account. And in managing complaints, if the complaint is labeled on red, that means the authority employee is reported to admin about this complaint. So the admin can access all the report details by pressing on view report details. And if the admin go inside the complaint, he can view all the details, the complainant info, complainant details, complainant image, complainant location. And also the admin can view the ticket. And if the admin notice anything wrong, he is the only one can close the complaint without a signature or without resolving the complaint. And for authority contacts, the admin can see all the messages from authority employees that contacted him about a problem or anything, and he can reply them. After replying them, it will show on replays. And also the same for complainant contact. It will show all the contacts from the complainants, and the admin can reply them. And after replying them, it will show on replays. And for managing banners, it will show all the banners available now and displayed on the home page of the complainant, and the admin can delete them or add a new banner. For the statistics page, the admin can see all the statistics for the whole application. We have 4 statistic categories: general info, complaints info, authority info, and feedback info. And now let's log out to go to the next interface. For super admin interface, we can't create a new account because it's a super admin. His account already exists in the Firebase. So let's log in with the super admin account. This is the super admin dashboard. Let's start with managing admins. For managing admins, we can see all the admins and we can freeze the account or delete the account. And for managing employees, we can choose the authority and manage all the employees in that authority to delete them or keep them. And for change admin key, if you remember, we can register a new account for an admin with an admin key. So the super admin can change this key if the key is compromised or someone that shouldn't know the key is knowing it now. And also for the authority key, it's the same. We should choose the authority and enter the new key if it's compromised or we need to change it. And in send notification page, we can send a notification for the whole application. And also we can see the old notification we sent. And for the feedback, we can see all the feedbacks of the application, but we can't see the names of the members that send the feedback. We can see the stars and the comments and the total feedbacks. And that's all for our application. Thanks for hearing us and seeing and reviewing our application.